Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. Heading out to check out a house for a client, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Sits on a real big 15,000 plus square foot lot. We're gonna go check it out, hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 3260 Hassayampa Drive. Nice little south end of town. Big 15,455 square foot lot. A little rainy today in Havasu. This property has tons of side and rear parking. Nice little neighborhood. Nice houses around. Got some fake grass action. All right guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,582 square feet, built in 99. Sits on a big 15,455 square foot lot. Also has a split floor plan, open living area, vaulted ceilings. Got nice eat-at kitchen counter. Nice front kitchen. You have a pantry, man door to the garage, and washer and dryer off the kitchen. Go check that out in a minute. So you have the master. It's got this little like cutout that they put part of the sunroom. It's all tile, vaulted ceilings in here. Slider out to the backyard. Got a pretty good sized master walk-in closet. Get your master bath with dual sinks. And yes, the trains run through here as well. Got a skylight. So the trains run in every room, by the way. So you have the other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. This is your guest bathroom, solid surface counters. Yes, there's a train running through it. Got bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. All tile again. Standard bedroom setup. So you got bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. This one does have carpet. Let's go check out the garage and backyard. So the trains run through the whole house and they have put them through the walls. So this is something you're going to have to patch at some point. I mean, it's pretty an elaborate setup. This is a dual track up here. Goes all the way around through the whole house. You can see the trains back there on the wall in the kitchen. Supposedly all runs, but I don't know. All right, so you have a pantry, your garage door, and then your indoor laundry. And of course, there's trains in here too. Skylight. Okay, so the garage is a 3-car garage. It's got a 20-foot and a 34-foot bay with 8-foot doors. Has some built-ins. The built-ins. And just so you know, there are no trains running out here. Here's your 34-foot bay. Super wide. Got your water heater, soft water. All right, let's go check out the backyard. So this is a permitted sunroom. It's got these double glass fold-away doors. Big old Arizona type room, all tile. Don't forget about the trains. Run through here too. That's to the master. All right, so we're out in the backyard, totally fenced in. Looks like the property goes a little further than the fence, probably back to that pole. Little garden setup. So the lot actually goes back further than the fence, I would assume. Got this little shed, big old steel RV cover. You get tons of side parking. You got this another little utility shed that's like the back of the garage that they added on. Might be able to remove that and regain some area, or maybe not. That's stucco, so they just added it onto the back here. All right, so this is a 16 by 40. Doesn't say how tall it is, but I could probably find out. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video of the house over here in Hassayampa. If you guys have any questions, let me know. All my contact information is right below this video. I'll also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can get all the original listing pictures, all the listing information, availability, price, and all that. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.